this morning we left the town of Cap-Haïtien. It was a beautiful northern town, and going through the old downtown, and it's filled with the heritage buildings built in about 200 years ago, and it's so beautiful. But it's also one of the most dangerous places in the world. These little buildings are made of brick, and a little tremor, like even magnitude 6, will have a huge damage to the downtown and killed many thousands of people. Now we are driving up that little country road up into a little more west, and again it's a beautiful scenery, ragged mountains, vast jungle, but it's a little bit rocky on the road, so it can't do anything but just taking pictures. But we're going to the first site with the UNICEF city at the school site. The road to school, man, we just passed this bay. It's so beautiful. Haiti is really one of the most beautiful places I have ever been, and that ocean is blue and jungle is green, and it's just unbelievable, the smell of this jungle and the smell of the ocean mixed together. That place is extremely special. So we got in a boat, and about maybe 10 minutes ride over the bay, and we carried our motorcycles with us. And I got on this, one of us got on this back of a motorcycle, and one for each. And essentially $4 round trip of the about 30 minutes mountain trail ride. Essentially do or die kind of thing, you know, you have to hang on to it. But it's just absolutely beautiful sight. And I just came across this full labor, Haitian labor, carrying that piece of beam which we specified, about maybe 15 feet long. This probably at least say 400 to 500 pound weight, and the 4 of them are carrying on the shoulder the 2 sticks. It's just unbelievable. Yeah, it's just that way that the Haitian laborers, the mason contractor works. I never see anything like that. Their work ethics are tremendous. And now here we're at the site now. Now here it's around 2 p.m. on a January, or Monday actually. And here's I found this just trees of a steel column, absolutely straight. And this site is a very clean site. I think they're doing a really nice job. And I don't see the single base plate missed or any boats missed. And the welding, they put some tack welding to it. Looks really nice. And I think our guys doing a really nice job up here. And I asked them scheduling again, and they're in almost the same spot as the last one. They're going to finish the steel construction by the mid-January, and finish the construction maybe sometimes end of March or so. So now it's 2:45 p.m. We are heading to south, going back toward the Gonaïve and Port-au-Prince, and we got to go see one more site. Typical day in Haiti construction trip.